It was a monster tornado, the most powerful category of tornado there is, an EF5 with incredible wind speeds of more than 200 miles per hour. At its biggest, it was nearly a mile wide as it decimated this densely populated area. Since then, there has been new growth, and there continues to be healing here.
When I think of 2011, I think of one of the many moments, milestones in the history of our organization that has helped shape who we are. And we did something first. We built 13 houses.
I think from the long-term recovery aspect of a disaster, this being so close to home, we saw it firsthand, and we saw how many years that it took. Convoy was here 3.5 years.
Wow.
From day one until we finished the last home. It takes years for a community to recover. And so what we brought to the table here in Joplin was to work alongside other partners, and we were able to step in, put all the pieces together, and get them back in a new home.
It is clear that what happened here 15 years ago had a big impact on the organization as a whole, but also on all the individuals who came here and really saw devastation like most of us had never seen before.
Yeah, I remember the 1 year anniversary, which was quite a big gathering. I mean, thousands of people in this park right over here. I remember sitting up on the platform. They had asked Convoy of Hope me to come and speak, and so I was addressing the crowd. But just before I got up to speak, they had all the first responders who came, and they lined up in front of the stage, and they had a moment of silence. Honestly, that really choked me up. And then I had to get up and speak right after that, and just trying to fight the tears. The city came together in a very big way, and to commemorate what had happened, but also to dream about the future. One of the things that sticks out is just the heroic response of Convoy of Hope. Our team didn't wait. As soon as the tornado hit, they had the trucks rolling, and those trucks didn't stop rolling, Ethan, for a long, long time. I think that moment really changed Convoy of Hope. I think it was a good reminder of why God had placed us here in times like this. It also reminded us what we're all about. Sometimes I think we take for granted what we have, and then when we lose it, we realize a lot. So, I think for me personally, I just hope I continue to live with gratitude. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I take things for granted. Hey, you and I, we've been given so much. We've been blessed, and when you think about it, I don't remember how many people lost their lives, but it was a lot in this very community, all the families that were devastated by that. And just to live with gratitude for what we do have.
The rebuilding continues, and really the healing continues, but it's important from time to time to remember. And we thank you for taking time to do that with us today.